Hi guys. Today we are going to learn how to use ListView.Builder in Flutter. Let's get started. Firstly, I have created a new project, and I am using Android Studio. You can use VS Code as well. While the app is building, let's make a list for ListView demo. For example, I am creating a list of numbers with flags which has Boolean value either true or false. Now we are making a reference variable of the list we made earlier. As you can see, we can directly use the list we made earlier. But I like to make a variable inside the build and then call the list, instead of directly using it. You see, there are multiple errors occurred during the build. This is because we are using ListView.Builder inside a column, which has infinite height. To overcome this all errors, we just need to enable shrink wrap to true, so that ListView will shrinks its height according to its child's. To check whether list view is working, let's use circle avatar. If there are 10 avatar, then it's correct. As you can see, there are 10 circular avatar. To get information at each index, we write variable name, in front of it we open a square bracket, which has index value, and another square bracket to get what value we want. Here I am taking number as value. As numbers value is in integer format, we have to use toString method. As you can see, we have flags that have either true or false. Now what we want is, if the value is true, the font color should be green. And if it's false, we want it to be red. As we done before, to get value at index, we write list name, then open a square bracket to give index and another square bracket to get what value we want. In this case we want flag. If flag is true, then we write what we want to happen after a question mark. If it is false, then we write it after a colon. You can see, the colors have changed according to their flags. Thanks for watching this video. Please, for any suggestions or request, comment down below.